This is the plane that was supposed to be taking asylum seekers from the UK to Rwanda on Tuesday night. But minutes before takeoff, the European Court of Human Rights stepped in and the flight was stopped. The flights to Rwanda are part of a new government plan to solve the problem of dangerous crossings in the English Channel. That's the sea between the UK and France. Each year, thousands of asylum seekers make the dangerous trip, wanting to come to the UK. An asylum seeker is someone who has fled their home where they are at risk and they've entered another country, applying for the right to stay there. But for many years, families have tried to enter the UK and have been using people smugglers, who are part of organised crime gangs. They charge asylum seekers huge sums of money to help them cross the channel. These gangs often use flimsy boats, which makes the journey very dangerous. The government says it wants to solve this problem, and earlier this year they announced a plan where people who were thought to have entered the UK illegally could be flown to Rwanda, over 4,000 miles away. There they will be allowed to apply for the right to live in the African country and would not be allowed to stay in the UK. Prime Minister Boris Johnson said this plan will save countless lives and help to stop people smugglers. But others don't agree. They say it's wrong to stop people from asking for asylum in the UK. They argue that it is very difficult for asylum seekers to get to the UK legally, and so they say it is wrong to punish people for arriving in boats. Many campaigners had tried to stop the flight taking place but had been unsuccessful, until this last-minute judgment by the European Court of Human Rights ultimately stopped the flight. They have the final say in human rights issues, and they ruled that no one should be sent on the flight until the policy is looked at properly. Home Secretary Priti Patel said she was disappointed, but the government will prepare for the next flight. However, the plan will now be looked at in High Court and judges will decide if the flights can go ahead in the future.